What's going on, YouTube family? It's me, this is EXP. Alex X is coming at you with another video. And on this, those of you who saw the epic fail with doing the wrap, it came out alright. I'm going to show you a little bit on this video with some daylight. But while that was occurring, I did have a failsafe, a backup plan. I'll show you in 2 seconds. Alright, so like I said, let me show you the finished product of the wrap. It's not to my liking, but it's not bad from a distance. You have to be really like a stiffler if you want to come and, you know, split hairs on a couple of things. So oh, that thing's starting to peel, because that was from another piece, but that's neither here nor there. So here was my backup plan. So I did not know, I found this on eBay actually, they do carbon covers, and I like the fact that the carbon is extra light. So think of like how the CBR is still at the shop. It's already fixed up, I just have to go get it, but because I have one hand, it'll be hard to unbox it. Alright, let me get to it, hold on. Alright, this is actually not bad. It looks like it's something that was hydro dipped, but I'll see how it kind of goes up against. That's not too bad. I just now have to get the Kawi embroidery on it, but I will have to take the tech spec off and put it on here. So this, I'm actually pretty surprised at this. It's like a drop-on setup. I'll probably put like some 3M tape to make sure it's secure. Look at this. That's. I probably might be able to do like a test install, just to see how that, you know, how it looks. Get some light on it. Wow. All right. I mean, it doesn't have, how can I say, you can kind of see this is not real carbon, but I will say I'm going to try it on the other tank just to kind of get a gauge for it. But that'll probably be another video. It was mainly for the unboxing stuff. But yeah, I would have to rewrap this to look like, because the actual wrap looks better. Yeah, it does. Look at that. Who would have thought? But, and you know how I know it's hydro dipped? You can kind of see the fade in there. I mean, for what this is trying to do, I'm not mad at it. But yeah, I gotta, I'm probably just gonna keep this as a backup and run with this as is. What do y'all think? Should I just try to work with this as a backup, or continue on? I still have to do the tracing out of the Kawi lettering, but I was actually gonna get like the chrome like this, but yeah, true carbon, which is this, versus hydro dip versus wrap. So you see like 3 different. This actually goes pretty well with that. I might stick with this, or possibly, yeah, stupid train. So yeah, I mean, this was only like $115, $120 after shipping. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna try it and see what it looks like, but bonus footage. So I put it on the remains of Zeus with the, remember the green tank from, well, Ares' body is back there in that cluster. But I did a snap-on fit. It goes on pretty nice. This is what the install looks like. It legit, you don't need to screw anything in. But I do have, what is this? The the tank guard to keep it from scratching. That's kind of pushing this section up. But probably have to get some glue gun and a heat gun, remove that, and then it'll sit nice and flush. But I may give it a try. Plus there's tech spec on that as well, but it's still wrapped up pretty nice. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, so with that and all of this, yeah, literally press it on. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna keep it. Other than that, that's the unboxing. True carbon, wrap carbon, and hydro dip. This doesn't have that. There's a mirrored white look to it. This is kind of flat. But yeah, it's just lessons learned. So, but that's it for this video short. Shout out to all my people in the Discord. I do have some writing footage. Since I'm finished with the first half of my class, I'm taking a month off, and then I'll upload all the backlog of videos, and then we should be good to go from there. I'm trying to get to the track. I gotta talk to Steve and see how that goes, or if I go solo, you know. So we'll work that out. But make sure you smash that like button, rate, comment, subscribe. The man, the myth, the ZXP. Yeah, that's me, Alex Lexus. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Snake, I tried, man. I tried.